So the other warm-up we used to do at Wild Geese was a bit more dynamic. So we started with wrist rolls. So interlink your fingers and you're just going to trace circle. 4, 5. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you go fast, it's quite nice. So keep everything together from sort of here up. If you go slow, you'll find all the edges and the sticky bits, the bits that don't move quite so well, that you skip over when you go fast. So do some fast and some slow and try and find the edges. Try and find where your sticky spots are and work into them a little bit. Nice big circles with the hands and the wrists. So they're wrist rolls. Then we have pancakes. So as your hands extend out, you want to keep the palms facing the floor. You can do all of these standing up if you prefer. Don't let the hands come up. You're just going to extend straight out as far as you can from the shoulder. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and from the side they're gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we've got waves. So you're going to start at this elbow and trace a wave all the way through to the other elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have a little experiment with whether you let your fingers flip open each time, or what happens when you keep them stuck to the other hand. Does it change it at all on which one feels better? So do whichever one feels better. Try and get it nice and fluid. Oh, flying ant. Do whichever one feels better and keep it nice and fluid and get as much movement as you can through the wrists, elbows and shoulders. And then we've got twisters. So if you put both hands out, face your thumbs towards the ground, put one hand on top, interlink your fingers. You're going to pull through and extend out. 1, 2. So if you stop here, that's fine. Just go as far as you can go. Don't force it. 3. And eventually, bit by bit, you'll gain millimeters each time, and then you'll get out there. From the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And also pay attention to how much your fingers stay together on this. They start splitting apart. That's another area where you can improve as you get more flexible, that they stay locked together and they don't really move. So come out to change over. You're going to release, flip the hand that's on top, clasp the fingers together and do the other side. Each side is not going to be the same. So be patient with the side that's a little bit more stiff and just respect where it's at. From the side. 5, 1. Again, pay attention to how much your fingers are opening to compensate for tightness. That's somewhere you can improve as time goes on. 10 of those. You've got pushing down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this one, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can do those behind the back. try to get into this position if you can, and ideally your hands will go up your back as far as they can, and your palms and fingers will be together. And what you can do here is just pull your elbows back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A nice one from behind as well is link the hands, pull down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then if you can, you're going to rotate the hands so the palms are down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From the side, that one. Interlink the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one's quite nice as well. If you stand up, that was good. And here, the weight of your arms with the forward bend helps them go forward. All you need to do in this position is just relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the last one, you're going to keep your elbows stuck to your hips, palms facing up, and then try and open as far as you can. Close. Open. Close. Call this one the flasher drill. You just imagine you have a large overcoat. You'll get the picture. So if your hands are starting to escape out, leaving a gap here, that's showing up your tightness. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From the side. 8, 9, 10. Okay, so have a play with them, see how you get on.